How about, can we sing one together? Can we just, this is a little onward change kind of song. It's called You Go All the Way. My neighbor left me an armchair when we moved into the house, and if you lean back in it, you could go all the way. So I was looking out over Western Shore from where we are there, and I wrote this song. It was meant to be a sing-along environmental ballad, but I was nervous about losing my audience at an early age, and so I left out most of the politics. So it's got to be a little longer on sing-along. This is what we do. We go, you go all the way, you go all the way. Perfect. You go all the way, you go all the way. And you can hum through the middle section if you want, or you can hum through the whole thing distractedly if you'd like, but I prefer it if you just sing there and then hum in the middle. But little bird, don't know your name, you've been hanging round my yard. Though it may still snow in May, your journey's long and hard. There's miles to go before you yet, this is not the end. You're welcome back most any time, I'll always call you friend. But you go all the way, you go all the way, you go all the way, you go all the way. You're in the sun singing foreign tunes till my heart could break. But staying here, I fear, my dear, would be a dear mistake. Those seasons, they go weirdly now. There's danger in the sun. For all our peace of mind, my dear, keep going, you're the one. You go all the way, you go all the way, you go all the way, you go all the way. I never helped a single thing, I lived just for myself. I met a darling little bird, love became our wealth. And soon I'd like to help all things find their place in the sun. And like the darling bird that flew, we'll always be the ones. You go all the way, 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 you go all the way. Nice singing.